Okay guys, with this quick video I will show you how mass traffic master works, how you can use it to get unlimited traffic from this system, how to rank your links. Of course you can use this software to get unlimited traffic to your affiliate link, to your blogs and to your sites. You can build your list using this software, and of course you can rank your videos, YouTube videos, and from there you will get unlimited free traffic from search engine. Okay, so how this software works. When you get the software, you will get also a license key and a password. So all you have to do is fill the details on this inbox and click login. When you log in, you will get this beautiful dashboard. You can see I am promoting my ClickBank affiliate link using this software. Also I am promoting my landing page. Okay, you can change your link anytime you wish. When you get the software, all you have to do is put your link in the inbox and click here update a new URL, so you can update your link, and then you have to choose your category. This is very important to choose your category so you can get target traffic to your link, and this is very important. Okay, so you have to choose your category, and then you can see here start. So all you have to do is click start and you will start getting traffic, unlimited traffic to your link. Now this is very important. This is not YouTube views. You can't get YouTube views from this software, but yes, you can rank your YouTube videos, and this is very important to rank your YouTube videos, so you can get a free and unlimited traffic from a search engine. Okay, so this point, this is very important to rank your YouTube videos, and also to rank your blogs. And to do this, you have to first you have to click here in the top, ping my URL. Okay, now there is something very important. If you want to get traffic, you have to cancel this option. Okay, you can see here ping my URL. So if you want to get traffic, you have to cancel and then click start. Okay, now my campaign is running and I will get traffic to my link. You can see here in the visitor counter I am getting over 1,500,000 visitors, and I am still getting traffic all the time. Okay, this is for a free lifetime traffic, and this is real traffic. You can check this traffic using Google Analytics or any shorting URL solution like Bitly or bit.do, so you can track this great traffic, and you can be sure this is not bot traffic or I don't know, this is a real traffic, okay, and you can check this in Google. Now the second thing that you can do with this software is to rank your YouTube videos higher in search engine. Now this is very important to rank your YouTube videos, and the reason from there you will get unlimited views when someone search for your product. I mean, when someone go to YouTube and type your keywords here, let's say website traffic software, so your video will showing here in the first page on YouTube. This is very important to showing on this page on YouTube, so you can get unlimited views and traffic to your link, and of course from there unlimited leads, sales, and of course money in your wallet. Okay, so how to do this? For this example, I will take one of these videos so I can show you how exactly this working. So I will get the link and back to the software. Okay, so this is the software, sorry, so this is the software, and all you have to do is put your link, and you can see here ping my URL. Now when you click ping my URL, you can see all this list is available right now, and all pings will coming from this list. Okay, now you have to choose a category for your videos. Let's say for this example is money making. Okay, and I recommend to use this inbox to put some keywords about your video. Okay, this is very important. Now how to get keywords for this software and for your video? This is very simple. All you have to do is go to keywords.tool.io. okay, I will put the link below this video so you can get this tool. This is a free tool, and you can use it to rank and ping your video. All you have to do is click here YouTube and put your keyword in this inbox and click search. Now when you click search, you will get some keywords. Okay, you can see there is some keywords that you can use, and all you have to do is check all these keywords, okay, like this, and copy to clipboard. Okay, now back to the software and put all your keywords here, Control V, and your keywords will showing on this inbox. Now basically when you put your keywords, all you have to do is click start. You will get this message. Please don't close this window while we pinging your URL. Okay, that's great. Now you can see here in the bottom this green line running and running. If you can see it, you have to wait while this process is finished. Now this is very important, guys, to ping your YouTube videos, and the reason, from there you will get unlimited traffic, unlimited views. This software will rank your videos, and you will get the first page in YouTube in the next 30 up to 30 days. This is fantastic. That's mean if your videos, if you don't have views, and if you don't have visitors on your YouTube videos, you have to do this step for all your videos, and the result, you will get results, fast results, in the next up to 30 days guaranteed. Okay, so this is fantastic. This is a great software, and I recommend to use this software every single day. And the best part of this software, you can get traffic all the time, lifetime traffic. You don't have to buy traffic anymore. You will get unlimited traffic from different sources, and you can build your list, and of course you can make money from this software. I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching, and good luck.